All right, more news coming in. The wife of the Delhi Chief Minister, Sunita Kejriwal, has trained guns at the Prime Minister. Ms. Modi is jealous of Kejriwal. Alleges false cases led to weaken Arvind Kejriwal. Modi has thrown the son of Haryana in jail.
कोई ऐसी पार्टी है जिसने बिजली फ्री करी हो? ऐसे सब काम सिर्फ एक ही शख्स कर सकता है, आपका लाल केजरीवाल, हरियाणा का लाल केजरीवाल। इसीलिए मोदी जी केजरीवाल से जलते हैं। उनसे ये सब काम नहीं होते। उन्होंने इनके काम को रोकने के लिए ही उनको फर्जी केस बनाकर जेल में डाल दिया। मोदी जी कहते हैं कि केजरीवाल चोर है। मैं कहती हूं कि मोदी जी, अगर केजरीवाल चोर है ना, तो इस दुनिया में कोई ईमानदार नहीं है।
Kejriwal behind bars, Asim, and we have in fact the Delhi CM's wife who's campaigning for the upcoming Haryana elections and making this statement, essentially saying that this is targeting. This is political targeting of a leader who is the son of the soil, a famous leader who's behind bars because of political vendetta.
Yeah, today Sunita Kejriwal was in Panchkula, Haryana, to launch 5 guarantees of Arvind Kejriwal for the upcoming Haryana Vidhan Sabha elections. She was accompanied by CM Bhagwant Mann and other senior leadership of the Aam Aadmi Party. But when she spoke, she especially targeted Prime Minister Narendra Modi, saying that Arvind Kejriwal is an honest man. He has done a lot of work in education, health and power sector. And in place of appreciating her, he was thrown into jail. And she also set the narrative, saying that Arvind Kejriwal is the son of the soil, he belongs to Haryana, and he made a new party, he became the chief minister in the first election, and just of that, Prime Minister is jealous of him, and this is the reason that he has been put behind the bars. So she also said that that Narendra Modi has challenged the people of Haryana. Now it is the turn of the people of Haryana to vote for Aam Aadmi Party and dislodge BJP government from Haryana. So in a way, she has made a narrative, an emotional connect of Arvind Kejriwal with Haryana and with the people of Haryana, saying that it is the Prime Minister who has specially targeted Arvind Kejriwal for doing good work, and he was jealous of him. And the people of Haryana must vote against BJP and bring Arvind Kejriwal's party to power here.
All right, thanking you for the moment. Asim Basti getting us up to speed with those details. You heard from the Delhi Chief Minister's wife there, Sunita Kejriwal, who's campaigning on behalf of her husband in the state of Haryana, where assembly elections are due. Talking about the Delhi CM, politics over Arvind Kejriwal's weight has only escalated. Our claims that the Delhi CM, his health is worsening, with the sugar levels dropping dangerously low for the 8th time, putting him at the risk of falling into a coma or suffering a brain stroke. And to address this, a Delhi governor has written to the Tihar jail, mandating authorities to closely monitor the CM's diet and insulin regimen. In his letter, he says the Delhi CM has been intentionally consuming fewer calories, resulting in noticeable weight loss. Given his medical history with type 2 diabetes, there have been troubling discrepancies in his insulin and blood sugar monitoring. Meanwhile, the BJP counters these claims, suggesting that his actions are a tactic to influence his bail application.
मुझे तो ये पता था एलजी साहब सीमेंट की फैक्ट्री में काम करते थे। वो डॉक्टर भी हैं, डायबिटीज के स्पेशलिस्ट भी हैं। ये जानकारी मुझे किसी ने दी नहीं। मैं उनका बायोडाटा कहीं देख नहीं पाया, मैंने कई जगह गूगल किया, मगर क्यों नहीं की, उन्होंने चुनाव नहीं लड़ा, तो उनका कहीं पे भी एफिडेविट नहीं है जो ये बता सके कि उन्होंने जीवन में क्या किया है। यदि वे डॉक्टर हैं, डायबिटोलॉजिस्ट हैं, तो जरूर जो है मैं उनके पत्र को पढ़ के जो है उस पर चिंता व्यक्त करूंगा।
एलजी साहब का जो बयान है बहुत अनफॉर्चुनेट है और मुझे लगता है कि एक कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल हेड ऑफ द स्टेट को शोभा नहीं देता है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी को पता था कि अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को सुप्रीम कोर्ट से बेल मिल जाएगी, इसलिए उन्होंने जबरदस्ती अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को सीबीआई से गिरफ्तार करवाया, क्योंकि उन्हें पता है उनका स्वास्थ्य खराब है। उनको पता है कि जितने लंबे समय वो जेल में रहेंगे उतना ज्यादा उनका स्वास्थ्य खराब होता रहेगा।
तिहाड़ जेल के सुपरिटेंडेंट की चिट्ठी अब सार्वजनिक हो चुकी है। इसमें स्पष्ट रूप से लिखा है कि अरविंद केजरीवाल, जिन्हें घर का भोजन दिया जाता है माननीय न्यायालय के निर्देश के द्वारा, वो जानबूझकर लो कैलोरी फूड ले रहे हैं, खाने की मात्रा कम कर रहे हैं। 6 जून से 13 जुलाई के बीच लगातार अपनी डाइट को कम कर रहे हैं कि किसी तरह से वजन कम हो जाए और वो सहानुभूति न्यायालय के सामने रख सकें कि मुझे तो बेल चाहिए।
See, as far as Aam Aadmi Party is concerned, Aam Aadmi Party is in a habit of making a hue and cry of everything. I mean, they want to play a vendetta politics and vichara politics. Like we are getting a vendetta politics, and Modi ji is responsible. But what I feel generally that who is responsible is ultimately Arvind Kejriwal's either family or Arvind Kejriwal's close one. The reason I'm telling you the reason is Delhi Tihar Jail comes under whom? Delhi administration, and Delhi administration head is Arvind Kejriwal. And the food which is coming in, it's from the house of Arvind Kejriwal only. So if Arvind Kejriwal is taking a less calorie diet or not taking any diet, who's responsible? Ultimately Arvind Kejriwal. 3 months back they were saying